Well, I've created a Q&A knowledge base and I can use that as the backend for a bot. So now I just need to go ahead and create that bot. So here I am in the Azure portal, and we'll just create a new bot just the same way we did before. And in fact, from the most recently created list, there's the link because I created one of these recently. And we'll give this one a name. I'm going to call it Bad Jokes. And we can create a new resource group for that called Bad Jokes. We'll just put that in the West US 2 location because that's nearest me. I'll use the S1 pricing tier. We'll create an Azure app called Bad Jokes. Now the template I'm going to use this time is the Q&A template. That's the question and answer, and that's going to link to my Q&A service that I created. So we'll create that. I can do it in C# or Node.js. We'll do it in C# this time just for a bit of a change. Not that we're going to look at the code. And then we've got our app service plan. Well, we've already got one of those that we created earlier on, so we'll just use that again. We'll create some new storage, and we'll put the application insights in the West US 2 region. So we'll go ahead and click Create. It'll just go and validate those settings. And then once those are validated, it can start deploying the bot. And when deployment's complete, we can go and find our bot. Here it is, Bad Jokes. And the one thing I want to do before testing this is I want to go and have a look at the application settings for this bot. And the reason I want to do that is we need to configure it to connect to our Q&A service. So there's a couple of settings here, the Q&A knowledge base ID and the Q&A subscription key that we're going to need. Now I'll get those from when I published my Q&A knowledge base. We got this URL, and that includes the knowledge base ID, which I'll just go and grab from here. And we'll take that and put that in our setting. And it also includes the subscription key. So we'll go and grab that. And again, we'll just put that in the appropriate setting. And now that I've got those, I'm ready to go and save those settings. And I'll go and update the Azure app that's at the back of my bot. And now I'm ready to go and test that bot in web chat. So we'll go and just click Test in web chat. And when the bot's ready, I can start to ask it some questions. So we'll just we'll say hello first of all. And we get our response, hello. I could say, why did the chicken cross the road? And I get my result back to the other side. So we've created a bot. This time we've connected it to the Q&A service. So we're able to add some back-end intelligence to the bot, and we're able to get some sensible responses. When we ask questions, we get the appropriate answers back from the bot.